Hello, IK here. Welcome to uh, uh, prompt. How to write prompt. Here it is. We want HTML formatted, improved description, improved description. But we must know how prompt what we want. For example, this moment here is a text, not HTML, and I ask the top. I put in here in update in the text area in description, delete. I put this the top 5 electric cars. The top 5 electric cars uh, improve description. Uh, okay, I can update it and look at, okay, I'm ready to help you improve the top 5 electric cars, etc. Ask here, ask a lot of about what we what we must give. The top 5 electric cars is a very open prompt, and artificial cannot respond on that. And again, I going update, delete, Control R delete. Now I ask list list of the top 5 electric cars uh, by brand name and price only. Only. It is important. Uh, and now improve description. Improve description. And look at what we have. We have generated improved description. There is here what we asked. What we asked. And all other I don't need. And when I update it, uh, we have that improve the descriptions, and I can go ahead and use only uh, this to improve, etc., etc. But we must be very concretely and strictly what we want. Uh, it is about prompt. Now, about this HTML, how improve the description coming in text area, coming formatted, HTML formatted, thanks to this part of code, this part of code in server, server. Here it is. Look at this part. Generate content. It is model generate content. Look at model generate content. I expected dot to be on same line as the properties. Okay, I deleted. It means I can't in this position break in a new row. Okay, now. And our improved description, we must wait, would be equal. Value is a model. It is Gemini, Google Gemini model one. It is right up in this express. Uh, and the properties generated content, it is method of model, object model, and in parameter of that is a prompt. What I prompt to generate content. I prompt this. Please improve the following article description, make the content more engaging, clear, and professional. Format the output with proper HTML structure. It is important. With proper HTML structure, using tags such as H1, H2, P, strong, UL, LI, EM, etc., where, where appropriate. Preserve the original intent and the topic of the description. Input, description. Input, description. And it is prompt and the closed parenthesis. It is something unbelievable news for me concretely, where you in a natural, in the native language, now in English, but my native is Croatian, I can prompt in Croatian also. In full full language, native language, we write parameter. We write parameter. It is prompt. It is a prompt, and the result of that we see. Result of that is HTML structured, formatted, improved description, and updated, and we have formatted, improved description. Improved description. What we must know how to prompt strictly what we need here, and we have final product, formatted, final, improved description. Here is something more important, that when we update formatted text, that text is showed in articles list. Let's see that articles list. Articles list. And here in articles list, I'm going to find the description. Description. This is all buttons. Article list. But the description is in article. In article excerpt. Article excerpt. Article excerpt. Here it is. We must code, recoded article description, but if we want that article description would be formatted, would be show as we expect from HTML document to be formatted in browser, we must write this underscore, double underscore, and HTML column article description. It is in curly brackets and double curly brackets. And the left side is dangerously set inner HTML. Dangerously set inner HTML. And it is enough that we see our HTML formatted text as we want in HTML, like HTML document parse in browser. Here is application eRetail public, and we have same code for initialization of generative model. At first, we have required Google Generative IE, declaration of Google Generative AI, and declaration of Gen AI. Here is a new, it is object, a new instance of Google Generative AI, and here is important Google API key. It is constant, declared in env file. Here, env file. But that env file, we must protect from public, from when you publish it in repository, public repository, that you declare in git ignore file, you declare location of every env file, and it would not be public in repository in GitHub in other. And here it is model. In variable model, we declare this Gen AI and method get generative model, and in my situation model of Gemini is this one. It is same in server of eRetail admin. I have two application, public and admin, for e-commerce, for my e-commerce. And this is some of features AI coming in public, some features coming in admin. You see, improve description. It is admin's jobs, and that feature go in admin application. But here in public application, we have a recommendation, and always what we have from that model, it is what we prompt, and here a prompt is it is down recommend a lot of about comments. Recommend, here it is. Here we take isolate prompt, declaring variable prompt. It is object prompt, and we destruct. It is destructured assignment. And here it is look at generate content prompt. We saw how our prompt look at it in before example. Here is directly prompt. It means what we what we prompt, it will be it we get. Here it is. We get what we prompt. We get. Here it is. Recommendation, and what is our prompt? Top 10 mobile by brand name and price only. Submit, and here it is. Recommendations, and we see Apple phone, etc. This list ask for product recommendations. It is from database of from context of model, but in improved description, it is work with my text from database, work on our data from database, concretely in that situation on improve description. Thank you for watching this video.